Hello and welcome to another X-Ray Tech video. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between automation and software development. Let's get into it. Automation is connecting software that already exists, right? So let's take a perfect example on Zapier. So Zapier is an existing piece of software, and you might be using Trello. And if you use Trello, Trello is also an existing piece of software, and maybe you want to put your emails into Trello for whatever reason. So an automator is going to be using these three existing pieces of software and tie them together. You're going to tie them together using a platform like Zapier or Integromat, and the tying together means connecting one API, application programming interface, to another API. And the relaying of the data is what the automator is concerned about. So what information is in the email? Is it the body? Is it the sender? Is it the subject line? And then what information is in Trello, right? You need to create a card, maybe you wanna add the date, things like that. So an automator is gonna be really concerned about the experience of the person who is going to be using the software and what data they need from one place and putting that data automatically into another place. That's what an automator is gonna do. So if you have tools that you use every day, and you're looking to connect the data associated with one tool and put it in another, automator is the way to go. Now, software development is a whole other animal. And I'm really happy to be sort of clearing this up because it can be really frustrating if you're not, in the world of software development or automating to really understand these types of differences. But a software development firm is going to be focused on creating something entirely new for you. It is creating a Trello, right? A new application that you might even connect into Zapier. So a new application is going to require a programming language. You're gonna have something like JavaScript or React or Node or HTML, right? You're gonna be coding information into an application, and that is going to require real engineering talent. So you're gonna have a GitHub, you're gonna have a real database, you're gonna have a front end. All of these types of things are going to gel together to create a new piece of software that you may or may not want to connect into Zapier so that you can automate into it, but it is an entirely different piece of software. So if you're automating, you're connecting the pipes of existing pieces of software. And if you're concerned about creating something new, then you really do need to contact a software development firm, and they'll be able to help you create that new piece of software that you may or may not want to automate into. So I hope this video has been helpful. We have resources and links, as always, in the description down below. And don't forget, keep the flow.